Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. In continuation with the last week's video on basic Korean seasoning, today I want to share my tips on how to make your store-bought gochujang taste better. I add a lot of things to it to make it taste sweeter, and also you can use it for many other recipes. So let's get started. So when the oil in the pan starts to shimmer, a bit like this, I'm going to add chopped beef. Actually, I'm using sirloin, and I chopped it finely here. And I'm going to stir fry a little bit. And then I'm going to add the chopped shiitake mushrooms. So, mix it. And notice I'm not using any other seasoning like salt or pepper because I'm going to start to add the gochujang to this. Now I'm going to add about 2 large tablespoons full of gochujang and 2 tablespoonful of plum essence. This will add the sweetness, natural sweetness. Instead of using sugar, I always like to use this plum essence. And I'm going to add the garlic. The reason I add the garlic later is because I don't really want the garlic to taste bitter when it gets burned. So it's always better to add the garlic when there's a lot more moisture. Then I'm going to add some chopped walnuts. And some whole roasted sesame seeds. And finally, I'm going to add the sugar syrup, 1 tablespoon. So you stir this and cook at low heat for at least about 20 minutes. This will make sure that all the seasoning will infuse the mushrooms, the beef, and the nuts. Let me just taste one just to make sure that the seasoning is good. Well, it tastes good to me. You spread it and leave it at low heat for about 10 minutes again. So as you can see, it's really nice and shiny, and all the sauce and seasoning has gone into the ingredients. So I'm going to put it into the jar like this. This actually makes really wonderful gift. I usually make a whole batch and give it to my friends for Christmas as well. So I want to show you one way of making very simple banchan using the gochujang and actually the doenjang sauce that we made last week. This is what we call cucumber pepper, and that is a pepper, but actually when you bite into it, it tastes like a cucumber, meaning it's very mild and sweet. So let me show you how I make banchan with it. You just chop it into maybe 1 centimeter in or 1 inch in length. Already it smells like cucumber. It smells really nice and fresh and not spicy at all. So I have some pre-cut ones I'll add to it. So to the cucumber peppers, I'm going to add maybe a tablespoon of the gochujang sauce that we just made, and then a tablespoon of the doenjang miso paste. Now I'm going to mix it together. Going to add a little bit of the plum essence again rather than sugar. I'm going to add some whole roasted sesame seeds at the end. And it's ready. Very simple. So let me taste one. So we made the cucumber pepper banchan today with the gochujang sauce mixed with the miso paste that we made last week. And the reason I'm showing you this quick way to make fresh vegetable banchan is that if you have the soy sauce or the pepper or gochujang sauce or even the miso sauce readily available in your refrigerator, you can use any kind of vegetables or meat or fish even to make a beautiful and tasty meal, and it will help you to shorten the cooking process. So really enjoy. And let me taste the one that we just made, the cucumber pepper banchan. It's really nice and crunchy, lots of vitamin C, and make you healthy and strong. So happy cooking and happier eating.